Hi guys, hope you're doing good. So let's see today how to create multiple files just with a one command and multiple folders if you want to create. So let's see on the current location how many files we do have. We have now only one file. This file one, two, and this one file. Okay, so let's create another files. Let's suppose we have to create a 10 files real quick. So we will not just write a touch command and write down it like file fi. Like let's suppose I give a file name as fi. So if you want to create a file from 1 to 10 with name 1 to 10, so it is not feasible. So what you have to do is fi you just use this one, uh, the curly braces, and just give this one double dots in 10. It will just create 10 multiple files. Let's see you get these files. uh, See these files from 1 to 10 here listed in 1 to 10. So this is really real quick. You can create files, multiple files just with a one command. And let's see how can we create folders. This is also the same thing. So let's see how to create multiple folders just with a one click. Mkdir, we have a command for creating a folder. So let's give it name as fold. Okay, so and now we have to give it curly braces here and double dots to 10. If you want to create 20 folders, so just give the name to number 20. Okay, as much you want to create, they will create for you. Okay, so here you see, yeah, total 20 folders are created here. Okay, so let's just show it out with a timestamp. So here you can see the multiple folders have been created here just with the one command, this one. Okay, so thanks. This is how we can create the multiple folders with one command and files if you want to create multiple things in a one go. Okay, so have a nice day. For more this kind of videos, do subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.